Hello, Fun with Freeman. I'm here to tell you about our special bike wash event we've got coming up on August 15th. We're going to be doing bike washes for $20, and 100% of those proceeds are going to go to Paceline. Paceline supports Georgia Cancer Center, and we're helping them search for a cure for cancer. So bring your bike in on August 15th, and we'll wash it for you for that $20. And we're going to have refreshments for you while your bike is washed. So come on down, bring your bike, and we'll see you on August 15th.